Hi everyone. As you can see here, another question is given based upon the belts problem. So here what is given? A pulley is driven by a flat belt. A pulley is driven by a flat belt. The angle of lap theta is given. Angle is given. So angle theta is equal to how much? 120 degree is given. How much it is given? 120 degree is given. So what you have to do? Theta is equal to 120 into, you have to multiply with pi by 180, you have to convert into radian. So 120 into pi by 180, the answer is somewhat 2.094 degrees centigrade. This is degree. Here you got the value of theta. Next one, the belt is 100 mm wide. Wide means B value is given. B is equal to how much? 100 mm is given. So here 100 divided by 1000. You have to convert into meter. 100 divided with 1000. You have to convert into meter. So here you got 0.1 meter. B value how much you got? 0.1 meter. After that, thickness is given. Thickness is equal to how much? Here the belt is 100 mm wide by 6 mm thickness. Thickness is equal to how much it is given? 6 mm is given. So thickness also 6 divided by 1000. So thickness is equal to here 6 divided with 1000. So here your thickness 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3. The answer should be in meter. Here you got the theta. Theta first you have to multiply with pi by 180. Then you got the B. B is equal to given in 100 mm. So divided with 1000. The answer should be in meter. And thickness also given in mm, divided with 1000. The thickness is also in meter. So here you got the theta, B as well as thickness. After that he is given density. Density is equal to, density can be indicated with this. How much it is given? 1000 kg per meter cube. No need to convert, already it is given in kg. In previous problem, if you see density is given in grams, then you have to divide it with 1000 and convert into kg. But here already it is given in kg. If the coefficient of friction mu value is given, mu value is equal to how much? 0.3. Mu value is equal to 0. And the maximum stress is should not to be exit. Sigma value is given. How much it is given? 2 megapascal. So here sigma can be write as 2 into 10 to the power of 6. Pascal can be write as Newton per meter square. Sigma here, sigma is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 6. Pascal can be write as Newton per meter square. Find the greatest power. He is asking to find out the value of power. He is asking to find out the value of power which the belt can be transmitted if the corresponding speed of the belt. So he is asking to find out the power. I told you for finding the power two formulas are there. To finding the power two formulas are there. You have to select the any one of the formula based upon the given data. You have to select any one of the formula based upon the given data. Here power formula is T1 1 minus 1 by e to the power of mu theta into V. Another formula is there, T1 minus Tc 1 minus 1 by e to the power of mu theta into V. So which one you have to select? Second formula you have to select, because in your question density is given. What is given here? Density is given. So you can select the second formula. So here first I will write down the formula for power. Power is equal to T1 minus Tc 1 minus 1 by e to the power of mu theta into V. Like this power you have to find out. So T1 minus Tc 1 minus 1 by e to the power of mu theta into V. So here first try to find out the separate term. First try to find out the separate term. First I will find out the value of V. First I will find out the, normally for velocity which formula you have to take? Pi d1 n1 by 60. This is the formula. But in this given data n is not given, and n is not given, as well as diameter is not given. So another formula is there for V. This is the another formula for V. In that V, T1 is not there. What is not there here? T1. So first try to find out the T1. T1 is equal to, simple formula is there, sigma Bt. T1 formula is equal to, what is the T1 formula? Sigma Bt. So substitute the value. You know T1 is equal to sigma value. Sigma value is already given in your question. How much? 2 into 10 to power of 6, and B value is also given in your question. How much that is? 0.1, and thickness value is also is given 6 into 10 to power of minus 3. So here with the help of calci you will get the T1 value. So first value 2 into 10 to power of 6, then 0.1, then 6 into 10 to power of minus 3. So here T1 you are getting 1200 Newton. This is the value for T1. Now I told you for finding the velocity, this is the formula. What is the formula? Pi d n by 60. But in this problem, in your given data, n value is not given, as well as diameter is also not given. N is also not given, as well as diameter is not given. So what you have to do? You have to select this formula. So V is equal to under root of T1 by 3 into m. 3 into m. M stand for mass. But here can you see anywhere mass? Mass is also not given. For finding the mass, this is the formula. What is the formula? Area into density into length. Area into density into length. So first I will find out the mass. For finding the mass, here I will write here mass. Mass is equal to area into density into length. This is the formula. So area can be write as B into T. Density write down as it is. In place of length write down this one 1. Because per meter you have to take, always you have to take per meter. So in place of B value I already know how much that is, 0.1, and T value is equal to 6 into 10 to power of minus 3, and density also I got the value, how much this is, 1000. So here I can write the 1000 into 1. If you solve this one with the help of calci, that 10 to power of 3 and 1000 will get cancelled. 0.1 into 6 into 0.1 into 6 into 10 to power of minus 3 into this is 1000. So here you are getting the value 0.6. How much you are getting value? 0.6. The answer should be in kg. The answer mass you got 0.6. Mass is equal to how much? 0.6. This mass if you substitute here, velocity is equal to under root of T1 value. T1 value 1200. So 1200. Write down, then 3 into mass value is equal to how much? 0.6. So V is equal to, with the help of calci you can find out this one, 1200 divided by 3 into 0.6. So here you are getting something 25.81. Velocity is 25.81 meter per second. This is the velocity. This is the velocity. So here you got the first term, velocity. You know mu as well as theta. You know mu value as well as theta. So you will get this value only. And T1 also you got. Only need to find out the TC. For finding the TC, the formula will be mv square. Normally the formula will be mv square. For finding the TC, the formula will be mv square. You can select this formula, or another formula is there, T1 by 3 also. In place of this, you can use the, because mass as well as velocity both are available. You can use this formula, or you can use this like this also. TC is equal to T1 by 3. So TC is equal to T1 value 1200 divided by 3. So TC is equal to 1200 divided by 3. How much you are getting? 400 Newton. TC value is equal to how much? 400 Newton. Now substitute here. You know the value of power? No, that only you have to find out. Power is equal to T1 value 1200 minus TC value is equal to 400. Then 1 minus 1 by e to power of mu value. Mu value is given in your question. How much that is? 0.3. And theta value. Theta value is equal to how much? Theta value just now you got 2.094. 2.094. Then into velocity. Velocity with the new formula. Velocity with the help of new formula. 25.81. So here you can write 25.81. So P is equal to, first try to solve this one. How much this is? 1400 minus 400. This is 800. Then after that try to solve this one. How to solve this? 1 minus in fraction 1 divided by exponent to the power of what is given? 0.3 into 2.094. 2.094. So here you will get some answer. 0.3 0.4664, then into 25.81. Answer into 25.81. So answer into 800. If you multiply overall, the power you are getting 9631.23 in watts. If you divide it with 1000, the answer divided with 1000, the answer power should be in kilowatt. So power is equal to 9.63 kilowatt. Like this you will got the value of power. Like this you will got the value of power. Here new formula is velocity. Whenever diameter and n is missing in your question, whenever diameter and n is missing, you can use the formula V is equal to under root of T1 by 3 into m, or TC. TC you can use this formula or this formula. TC is equal to T1 by 3. You have to remember this one. Once look at the problem. Okay, once again I am reading this. A pulley of driven by a flat belt, angle theta is given. Theta is equal to how much? 120 degrees. So 120 into pi by 180, the answer should be in radian. The belt is 100 mm width. Width is equal to 100 mm is given. So divided with 1000, the answer should be in meter. And thickness is 6 mm. 6 divided with 1000, 6 into 10 to power of minus 3 meter is given. After that, density is given. How much? 1000 kg per meter cube. If the coefficient of friction between mu value is equal to how much? 0.3, and the maximum stress should not be exceed. Stress is given to megapascal. In place of mega, you can write 10 to power of 6. Pascal can be written as Newton per meter square. He is asking to find out the power. I told you, for finding the power you can select the second formula. Why you are selecting the second formula? Because in this problem density is given. Whenever density is given, you can go for the second formula. You can go for the second formula. So better to write down the formula first. Power is equal to T1 minus Tc 1 minus 1 by e to power of mu theta into V. So try to find out the each term of this one. So first I am finding the V. Normally for finding the value of V, the formula will be pi dn by 60, but here diameter is not given as well as n is not given. So another formula is there for V. V under root of T1 by 3 into m. Under root of T1 by 3 into m. This is the formula for V. So first you have to find out the T1. For finding T1, this is the formula sigma Bt. Sigma value already given in your given data, and B is also given and thickness is also given. So here you got the value of T1. Then you have to find out the mass. For finding the mass, this is the formula. Area into density into length. Area can be write as B into T. Density write down as it is. Length also write down as it is. But length you have to consider as the per meter 1. You have to consider. So B value you know, T value you know, density value is no, and density already given in kg. No need to convert into grams or anything. Already given in kg. In place of length you have to take 1. So here you got the value of mass. This mass if you substitute here, you will get the velocity. For finding the TC, with the help of this formula also, mv square, TC is equal to, m value is equal to how much? 0.6, and TC value is 25.81 meter square. With the help of that also, if you will find out, you will get the value, same value TC. TC is equal to how much? 400 Newton. Here also TC is equal to how much? 400 Newton. It's up to you. You can use this formula or you can use this formula. TC is equal to T1 by 3. It's up to you. You will get the same answer. Then TC. T1 is over, TC is over, and this value you know very well, and V also you got. For here you are using V is equal to under root of T by 3 into m. That is the only the new formula, and TC is equal to T1 by 3 or TC is equal to mv square. Like this you can find out the power. Power you are getting in watt, divided with 1000 you will get in kilowatt. Like this you have to find out the power. Whenever like this is given, with the help of this you can find out the power. Okay. In next problem, what is given here? A flat belt drive by initial tension. First time initial tension is given. Initial tension is designated with the letter T naught. Initial tension is designated with the letter T naught. How much it is given? 2000 Newton. So here 2000 Newton. Initial tension is designated with the letter T naught, 2000 Newton, and the coefficient of friction between the belt and pulley, and the coefficient of friction between the belt and the pulley, mu value is given. Mu value is equal to how much? 0.3. Mu value is equal to how much? 0.3. And the angle of the smaller pulley and the angle of the smaller angle is given. Angle means theta is equal to T1. Theta is equal to 150 degree. So 150 multiply with pi by 180. So here 150 multiply with pi by 180. So here you can write 150 into pi by 180. The answer should be in 2.61. How much it is? 2.617 degree radiant. Here you can write in radiant. Theta is equal to, here you can write in radiant. Theta is equal to 2.61 radiant. After that, what is given? The smaller pulley has a radius of, smaller pulley means D2. D2 is equal to how much? 200 mm is given. Whenever it is given in mm, what you have to do? 200 divided with 1000. So here this will become 0.2 meter D2. So R2 is equal to 0.2 meter divided by 2. So R2 is equal to 0.1 meter. Here you got the value of R2. Here you got the value of R2. After getting the value of R2, here after getting the value of R2, R2 is equal to how much you got? 0.2. R2 is equal to how much? 0.2. 0.2 is given. So here R2 is equal to how much? Directly radius is given, not diameter, the radius is given. So D2, what is the formula for D2 is equal to R2 by 2. D2 is equal to, if you want to find out R2, R2 is equal to D2 by 2. Go for the cross multiplication. D2 is equal to 2 into R2. D2 is equal to 2 into R2 is equal to 200. D2 is equal to 400. D2 is equal to 400 meter mm. It is given in mm. So D2 is equal to 400 divided with 1000. So here you will get D2 is equal to 0. This will get cancelled. 0.4 meter. D2 is equal to 0.4 meter. Like this you have to find out. Like this you have to find out. See here, the smaller pulley. Smaller pulley means second one. Smaller pulley means always you have to take the second one. The smaller pulley has a radius of, radius is given smaller pulley 200 mm. So R2 is equal to D2 by 2. If you multiply this to, D2 is equal to 2 into R2. R2 value is equal to 200. This is 400 mm. D2 is equal to 400 divided by 1000. D2 is equal to 0.4 meter. Here you got the value of D2. Here you got the value of D2. After getting the value of D2, N is given. N is equal to, in your question N is equal to given. How much it is? 500 RPM. N is equal to how much? Find the power in kilowatt. He is asking to find out the power. He is asking to find out the power, and that to be in kilowatt. That to be in kilowatt. So what you have to do means, if you want to find out the power, first if you want to find out the power, try to find out the ratio first. First try to find out the ratio, because you are finding the power. So first try to find out the ratio. How to find out the ratio? What is the formula? T1 by T2 is equal to e to power of mu theta. T1 by T2 is equal to, here e to power of mu is there as well as theta is there. E to power of mu value is equal to 0.3 and theta value is equal to 2.617. So T1 by T2 is equal to, with the help of calculus solve this one, shift E is equal to 0.3 into 2.617. So here you are getting some value 2.192. So T1 is equal to 2.192 of T2. T1 is equal to 2.19 of T2. Now next step, you have to write down the formula for power. Before writing the formula for power, what you have to do, in your question first time initial belt tension is given. For finding the initial belt, as you can see here, two formulas are there. T1 plus T2 by 2, then T1 plus T2 plus 2C by 2. When you have to use second formula, mass is given in your question? No. Density is given in your given data? No. And Tc is given, centrifugal tension is given? No. These three terms are missing. Then you can go for the first formula. What is the first formula? Initial belt tension T1 plus T2 by 2. Go for the cross multiplication. This is equal to T1 plus T2. So T1 plus T2 is equal to 2 into initial belt tension is given. How much it is? 2000. So T1 plus T2 is equal to how much this is? 4000. This is your equation 2. Let it be, this is your equation 1 and this one is your equation 2. This is equation 1 and this one is the equation 2. Equation 1 substitute in equation 2. In place of T1 you can write 2.192 T2 plus T2 is equal to how much it is? 4000. So T2 if you take common, 2.192 plus 1 is equal to how much it is? 4000. Then T2 is equal to 3.192 is equal to how much it is? 4000. Then T2 is equal to 4000 divided by 3.192. T2 is equal to how much? 4000 divided by 3.192. How much you are getting? 15. See here, T2 value is equal to 1253.13 Newton. This is the value for T2. If this T2 value, if you substitute here, you will get the value of T1. T1 is equal to 2.192 into T2. T1 is equal to 2.192 is equal to 1253.13. So T1 is equal to, answer into 2.192. So 2746.86 Newton. This is the value of T1. But he is not asking to find out the value of T1 and T2. He is asking to find out the value of power. Again, power, two formulas are there. Which one you have to select? First one. For finding the power, what is the formula? T1 1 minus 1 by e to power of mu theta into V. This is the formula, e to power of mu theta into V. Here also velocity is not there. Here also velocity is not there. So velocity you can use this formula, pi d1 n by 60, or V is equal to pi d2 n2 by 60. So pi you know very well, d2 just now only you got, how much that is? 0.4, and n2 value n is given, now that one you have to, how much that is? 500 divided by 60, pi into, so here you can write what is the value? Shift into pi into 0.4 into this is 500 divided by this is 60. So how much you are getting? 10.47. How much? 10.47 meter per second. Velocity is equal to how much? 10.47 meter per second. Velocity is equal to 10.47 meter per second. Substitute here, you have to find out the power. Power is equal to T1 value 2746.86, 1 minus 1 by e to power of mu value. Mu value is given in your question. How much that is? 0.3. So 0.3 into theta value. Theta value also you got it here. Theta value here 2.617. 2.617. Close this one. Then velocity is 10.47. So power is equal to 2746.86. Then multiply this value. How much this value? 1 minus fraction of 1 by exponent of in bracket 0.3 into 2.617. So here you are getting something 0.439 into 10.47. So answer multiply with 10.47 then multiply with 2746.86. So how much you are getting? Power. Power is equal to 1643.10 in watts. So what you have to do? Power is equal to 15643.10 divided with 1000. Then answer you will get in kilowatt. Power is equal to answer divided with 1000. Then you will get 15.64 kilowatt. This is the value for power. Power you have to find out with in kilowatt. So what you have to do? Final unit you have to divide it with 1000. So you will get in kilowatt. Like this you have to find out. Whenever initial belt tension is given, like this you have to find out. Whenever you are going for power, first you have to find out the ratio. Ratio is equal to T1 by T2 is equal to e to power of mu theta.